I keep talking. I thought it's soon. Ayan. Yan ang dinner ni Andy ay sandwich. Sandwich yung sa kanya. At saka tea. Ako naman ay salmon with french fries and broccoli. Yan ang aking order. It's yummy, yummy broccoli. I like the broccoli today. It looks like have a butter, Papa. Maybe he boiled on the butter.
Oh, the fish? The salmon?
The broccoli. The broccoli. Ayan, samahan nyo kami sa aming hapunan. Ayan. Ayan. Ang hapunan namin. Ayan yung hapunan namin. Ayan. Can you say I'm eating, Papa? Wow. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yan. Okay. Kain muna kami.